Hey everyone, this is Kokun from WPBravo. In this video, I will show you how to take full page screenshot. I built this e-commerce website using WordPress and Elementor, and I record whole tutorial. Now I need to make a thumbnail. To do that, I need to take full page screenshot. So let's see how to do that. I'll press Ctrl and Shift, then I. After that, I will press again Ctrl Shift then P. Now I have to write screenshot. You will see different option here. Capture area screenshot. This will take just this area. If we click this capture full size screenshot, then it will create full page screenshot. I will click this one. Amazing. It create full page screenshot. Let's save it. This file size is 1857 KB. That means it's huge. If I click and zoom this image, we will see this is a high resolution image. Everything is perfect and crystal clear. So friends, this is how we can take full page screenshot. I hope this video helped you. If you find this video helpful, please hit a thumbs up. Subscribe my YouTube channel to see such great video tutorial. I want to see you in next WPBravo tutorial. Till then, take care.